Hello, everybody. Come on, bon Dieu béni nous. God bless you all. Today we're going to talk about how God's going to bring back dead things to life. Jodi a nous pral parler comment que bon Dieu pral ressusciter ça qui mouri yo à la vie encore. But in order for you to be able to walk in what God has for you, you have to let go what's in your hand. Pour que vous capable marcher dans ça que bon Dieu lui-même li va faire pour vous, ou besoin quitter ça que nan men yo aller. Those things that you are holding on to are going to give you heartbreak that is not necessary. Those things that you are holding on to are going to give you sleepless night that is not necessary. Bagay ke ou kembe nan men lan ke ou pa vle lage ya, kapab ba ou yon cœur cassé, yon cœur krasé et vraiment qui pas nécessaire. Bagay sa yo ke ou kembe nan men lan ka fò pa ka même dormi qui pas nécessaire pour même. Faut que vous capable arriver dans un point pour dire pas quoi dans tête moi encore bon quoi dans bon Dieu dans plan bon Dieu. God, you have to come to a point where you have to say, I don't believe in myself anymore. I have to believe in the plans of God. Because you hold on so much, so long to something that's not going to work for you anymore. Yes, it worked in the past, but no longer works for you anymore. Ou capable di kon sa ke bagay sa yo ke mwen kembe a, se bagay ki te ka itil, mwen te kon itil mwen deja, men bam djou ke rive non point kote ke li pap itil ou encore, ou besoin la gil. You have to let go of the things that's no longer gonna be useful for you anymore. Ou besoin quitter bagay ke ki pa fait rien pour encore aller, parce que plan, pas même genre, the plan is not the same anymore. Your dreams, your ideas, your plans that you've planned for a very long time, you felt like this is where your path is. Bagay que vraiment que ou te gen idée fait, bagay que ou rêve fait, plan ou que ou te gen dans tête ou que ou pense que c'est ça que ou besoin faire ou pral besoin quitter yo aller. Raison ça c'est parce que yo pas servi rien pour encore, because they are no longer working for you anymore. Quitter l'aller. In Ezekiel 37, it talks about dead bones. How God brought dead bones back to life. Dans Ézéchiel chapitre 37, il parle comment que bon Dieu retourner à la vie, zomo, cherche à la vie. So right now, I want to let you know that God has the plan for you. And that plan is bringing back dead things. Bon Dieu gagne un plan pour vous. Et plan là, c'est mettre à la vie ça qui te mouri. Nothing is too far gone for God. Pas gen rien qui trop tard pour bon Dieu. All hope is not lost. Tout espoir pas perdu. God is going to bring back to life your marriage. Bon Dieu pral restaurer mariage ou encore. God is going to restore your career, your finance. People around you, God has the power to bring them back to life. People that you felt like was too far gone. Yes, I'm talking about mentally, physically, and spiritually. God will restore them back to life. Bon Dieu capable restaurer mariage là. Bon Dieu capable restaurer carrière ou, finance ou, même moun que vous connaissez, qui peut-être pensait que tu allé déjà, perdu déjà. Bon Dieu capable de restaurer yo physiquement, mentalement et spirituellement. Trust in Him. Crois en bon Dieu. You will see it. It's going to happen. Wapwel, la privée, dans le nom de Jésus. In Jesus' name.